Hey, this is Marco. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix bad audio quality on Discord. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. So basically, what you want to do is open up Discord. Then go to user settings. Then scroll down until you see voice and video, and scroll down. Now you can always remove this automatic sensitivity. So if it's very low, it won't necessarily catch your voice. But if it's all the way to the right, it will barely get your voice. But if it's on the left side, it's going to catch pretty much everything. And then the next thing is you scroll down, and then you have this noise suppression. So you have crisp, standard, and none. I would advise you to play it all of three to see which one would work the best. And also you can turn off echo cancellation. That might also help you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.